my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how I did my hair in these beautiful burgundy butterfly locks. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then stay tuned. Right, for my edges, I will be using Got2b gel, and honestly, I just grabbed whatever I could find in my closet at the moment. And now I am trying to get my part straight so I can plait my hair. This is what my hair is looking like now. It's halfway done, and I basically just parted it in rolls and just braided all the way around. Yeah! Why I look like Coolio though? Y'all might be a little too young if you don't know who Coolio is. I ordered my hair off of Amazon. I will have the vendor in the description below. But it came with 6 individual packs of hair, and I used 3 packs. And those were the Butterfly Locs. Then I also got this hair to wrap around. I got it a little short. I should have gotten it longer, but it did the trick. Okay, now you're gonna take your lock and you're gonna open up the little loop at the top because you have to crochet it into your hair. So we're gonna take the crochet hook, close it, and you're gonna push it through the top part of your braid. I should have pushed it through the middle part, but you're gonna push it through and you're gonna hook the lock on, close it, and then pull it through. And then you wanna open the loop at the top of the lock, slide your braid through, and pull. So it's like you're tying a knot. Now we need to take our water wave hair and pull it apart. Basically, you're fluffing it out. And then we're gonna have one side the length of your braid and the other side is going to be long. And you're just gonna wrap it around. Wrap it all the way down so all of your real hair is covered. And that's really all there is to it. It's an easy hairstyle. It lasts long, and the older it gets, the better the style looks. Again, y'all, just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any other video ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thank you, and I'll see y'all next time.